Hello everyone, welcome back to Opportunity Hunt. So today we have got amazing opportunity for Python and as well as Power BI developers. So this role is offered by the Quest Global, which is located in the Bangalore, and we are going to discuss all the details about this role. So what is the eligibility criteria, what the skills that are required, all the things that is discussed in this video. So watch this video till the end. So before moving ahead, if you are new to this channel, so make sure to subscribe to our channel where you will get the content which is related to the job openings, internship openings, free courses, hackathons, scholarships, a lot more content uploaded in this channel. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. So coming to the job overview, that is a Quest Global is on lookout for a talented Python and as well as Power BI developer. This is a full-time role in the energy sector, which is based in the Bangalore, as I said before. If you are skilled in coding with the Python and enjoy creating the visual reports using the Power BI tool and have a knack of turning the raw data into the business insights, this could be a perfect role for you. Coming to the key responsibilities that what you will be doing. So first off, you will work with the Python, especially using the libraries like NumPy and as well as Pandas for data manipulation. And you will also design the data models to transform the raw data into the actionable insights. And also you will leverage the Power BI to craft visually appealing dashboards and as well as reports. Additionally, you will also handle the data retrievals and analyze within the organization. This role requires you to think strategically to bring the data into the life. So coming to the technical skills that you need to require, advanced knowledge of Python, Power BI and SQL, experience creating the calculated fields, geosets and as well as custom fields with the Power BI tool. So bonus, if you are familiar with the Power Apps, Spotfire or Tableau, you will need a strong communication skills and as well as regular check-ins and program updates with the client where it will be a best part for this job. Now, why this role is for you? Wondering why you should consider applying for this? Working as a Python as well and Power BI developer at Quest Global will not only challenge you but also provide the opportunity to work with a cutting edge technology in the growing field. It is a chance to expand your knowledge, strengthen your skills, and also build experience in the collaborative customer focused environment. So to apply for this, the link is there in description box. So when you click on that link, you will redirect to this page and you can simply press on apply button. You will apply for this role. And if you're passionate about the coding and deliver a powerful business insight, this role could be a stepping stone you are looking for. So Quest Global is offering a chance to work with the industry professionals, expand your career in the tech and apply your skills to the real world projects. And thanks for watching. So don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon for more job updates and I will see you in the next video with the biggest opportunity. Until then, keep hunting for the dream opportunities.